Pass me the bag behind you.
Daddy, a pillow pet.
You got a pillow pet?
See? Pass me the red bag behind you.
I want it.
That's what you wanted? Say, open this one.
That bag here. Great.
What's that, son?
Mom, this one is for you.
Oh, so pillow pet.
Daddy.
Yeah, what do you have? Show me. Show me, say. Hold it up.
Nice.
Hold it up, let Dada see.
Yeah, there you go. Danica said you like the black amethyst, Mom.
Love it. Is this from you, Sam?
Yeah, I've been giving him.
Thank you. Wow, look how she bought it.
I got a big one. I need help so I don't crash my thing.
Put those things on my patio.
Yeah. Okay, sit down.
Let me see you smile, Zoe.
Music, yeah?
Are you happy?
Yeah.
That's for you and you.
Oh.
Working in here?
Rip it here. Look.
There you go.
Wow. You have another one here.
That's yours, Albert.
What is that, Zoe?
Yeah. Great. I was thinking it you were.
Oh, yeah.
Transitions. Oh.
Look.
Whoa, that's from Pepe and Grandma.
Oh, my heavens, it's a lot.
I know. Right?
Let me see, Albert.
Did you get one for yourself, Amber?
Like she just tossed it to the side.
See, this is yours.
Thank you.
It's for the house. It's okay. Both of you.
Oh,
Yes,
look
this
at
is
this.
Zoe.
Oh.
I have to open it.
Okay, wait a minute, son. Okay, this one is for Zoe and Salem. Open that one, son. Oh. Everyone. Oh. What's that? For Zoe and Salem.
Let's see, say.
It's two.
Show Dada.
Open it.
Skin teeth.
Good.
Veggie Tales. Try this one. Open that one. For Zoe and Salem.
What's that one?
Show Daddy.
A choo-choo.
It's a dress-up dress.
Wow.
Short-lived. So pretty.
Wow, we're the pirates that don't do anything.
Another one?
My goodness, where's this coming from?
Second-hand store.
Really?
Second-hand store.
Good.
Less than $5.
Wow.
Oh, this is mine. From Zoe. Did everybody get their present from Zoe? Nana did.
Beanie.
It's a Santa
This is a
bowl.
gift fest.
It is a gift fest, but who is really,
Thank
Cleaning
you.
up?
yes.
Not me.
Who's making out like a bandit here?
Not me.
Zoe Naomi Chandler.
Let me see.
Hello.
Can't I look?
What, are you getting this?
Yes.
Can't I look?
Oh, and share with Nana. Whose is this?
Can't I look?
No.
Oh, this is Zoe's.
In the spirit of Christmas, Salem is gonna.
Oh, you got
two perfumes?
the bandit.
Thank you, Larry.
You gonna open yours?
I'm enjoying seeing the kids and you guys.
Say. More.
What's on the stove right now? Oh. Well, it's not gonna burn, right?
There you are.
Slippers. Mom, I got slippers.
Show me your slippers, Zoe.
Yay!
Oh, wow.
They're like queen slippers or something.
It's a princess slipper.
You know I can't use this as a kid.
Sandals that might fit you. Did you hear that, Tam?
Yeah.
You realize in the week it'll be gone.
Those are for
How's it
next
smell?
summer when you get bigger.
Nice.
What kind is it?
Okay, let me throw it on you.
And you have this one too.
You think if I passed like you would look at
I
all
would
the
look
time?
a second time, yes.
Oh Lord.
Papaya. Look.
Let me see your gift, Dad.
Look at him.
Wow.
You making
Okay,
you
this is
you
for
doing
the
it, brother.
baby.
You're doing it.
Okay.
She's partial. The baby is thankful, honey.
Where are they?
Unless it's a boy.
Let's see what you got, Mama.
What is it?
There we go.
Have mercy, have mercy.
Francisco.
Smelling good for your husband.
Hey.
A lot of bedroom activity
Oh,
with
yes.
perfume and all that stuff.
Whoa.
Show Nana.
Oh, nice.
Ni hao.
Ni hao, Kailan. Ni hao, Zoe.
Really?
Jeans.
Is that the two?
Look at this skirt.
Yeah.
Yeah. Why so
You want all of this, Tance?
Huh?
You want all this?
Sure. Sandals, slippers, that's what you wanted.
Oh,
This thing is so easy to operate.
I want to try it.
very nice.
Here.
Very nice. Yeah, get this. You open
Who's this from?
So this is a product that's in
Daddy and Mom.
Oh,
I got one for myself too.
oh yay! Look at that. My gift. My gift? Zoe's gift. My gift? Zoe's gift. A shopping cart? And she tosses another one.
I think everything.
Thanks, Bean Bean.
Those are Salem's.
No, this is gonna be good. I'm actually trying to read a lot more.
Yeah. Say. I have one for myself too.
I'm trying to read a lot more.
These are Salem's. To Danica. Okay, that's not to Danica has a pile here. This is Salem's. You opened a lot now. It's time to help Salem. So go
Oh,
over
look
there
at
and show her.
more clothes, Salem. Who's that from?
That's from Mommy and Daddy.
Wow, you're set for church, boy.
Salem.
Salem, boy.
Salem.
What?
Salem, you're slacking. I thought you didn't have as much as your sister, but I was wrong.
Ooh, Elmo bag.
That's from Papel. This is for Salem.
Oh my heavens. What's wrong with this picture? I don't know. It seems to be very lopsided.
Unreal. I don't know how many times as a parent I've seen my room strewn with all kind of wrapping paper.
That has nothing to do with you.
Zoe, this is yours.
Look, up here. Look, Salem. Look. Ooh, nice. That's from up here?
That's from us.
Okay, that is
Did you
beautiful.
see your Elmo backpack? I told you you would
That.
want one.
Wow, these are so cute.
Those are the ones you wanted. This one says, way to go,
Wow.
Zoe.
Wow.
It has your name on it.
Oh, way to go, Zoe.
To Zoe from Nana and Grandpa.
This is mine.
Yeah.
Mommy.
Okay, Salem.
Mommy. My
Well, who do you say?
choo-choo.
Who do you say thank you to?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Salem.
Zoe. Give him a hug and kiss.
Go give him a hug and kiss, Zoe.
Amber, look at this.
Ah,
You remember that?
Oh, yes.
Carrie gave that to them.
Oh, Carrie, that's great.
Salem.
Oh, we're
Salem.
glad.
This is gloves for
Don't forget this.
Okay, this is the indication.
Yeah.
You needed gloves yesterday.
Yeah, that's what she
Work
said.
done?
That's Salem. I think you got all yours, Zoe.
Ow. Okay,
You
let
know-
me get Damien opening a couple things.
A couple?
Yeah,
Oh my God, do that. Go buy some?
You know, I never really
Did you
understood.
want it in truck?
Oh, go ahead, Bean Bean. I was just thinking one of
Are you serious?
these. Yeah, I stole yours when you used to live at our house. too.
Yeah. I was like, did they get one of their own yet? Or
We had one a while ago in Michigan, but it broke.
It broke, and that's a good one. I was actually just about
Really?
one of those. Yeah, I took out my winter coat. No, a
Oh,
sweater.
yeah.
And it was all
Philly?
done up.
Yeah.
Tommy.
Wind chimes, nice.
Look.
Am I gonna break
Tommy.
it?
No, you're not. Open it up. It's on fishing wire. It's just got several. Yay,
Thomas
Thomas.
drum.
Is this for Salem? Mom, is this for Salem?
So the bigger piece, just take it all apart.
A cowboy hat.
Whoa.
The bigger piece
Helmet.
goes
Yeah,
up.
yeah.
Wow, and a dress up.
Go ahead with your
That's
bad
nice.
self,
Where'd you get
Bean
these
Bean.
from? Here?
No, from Auburn Supermall.
Oh my god.
Your mom and dad have one similar, just different color.
Yeah, I like wind chimes.
I'm gonna hang this up in my tree.
Yeah,
And your what?
in Alabama.
Like that.
We got a
See them?
There's no trees in Alabama. You don't have trees
Not
there.
like here.
Thanks, Bean Bean.
You're welcome, Dee. I love you.
Love you too. Love you muchly.
Let me see it.
Yeah, this is tight.
What kind of stone is it?
Agate. 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 Yeah.
That's Auntie Danica's stuff.
Hey, Merry Christmas. Say Merry Christmas.
Hey, babe, where are you going?
Merry Christmas, Zoe. Merry Christmas, Salem. See? Okay, this is Salem operating it now, so I don't know. Take your finger off of it. He's covering it with his entire hand. There you go. See? See? Look.